Are you craving a crispy, golden and flavorful nashta that's quick to make and super easy? Then this recipe is for you. Today, I am making delicious potato patties, perfect for tea time and lunch boxes. This recipe is simple and budget friendly. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pan. Add 2 boiled and mashed potato. Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions, 2 chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of salt. Now mix everything very well. Cook this mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, let the potato mixture cool down completely. While the potato mixture is cooling, let's prepare the flour slurry. Take a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of flour. Now pour 4 tablespoons of water and mix very well. Now take some patty sheet and cut like this. Place the patty sheet like this. Now in the center, place some potato mixture. Apply flour slurry to the edges. Now carefully fold the patty sheet and it's ready. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Heat some oil in a frying pan over low flame. Now place some patties and fry until golden brown and crispy. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Once done, remove them and place on tissue paper to soak extra oil. And just like that, the crispy golden potato patties are ready to serve. You can serve them with your favorite chutney or a cup of tea. This recipe is very crispy and very delicious. And the best part is you can make this recipe with some simple ingredients. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.